In our previous video, we saw that how you can create your first project in React Native, and also we saw that how you can preview your app on Android emulator or iOS emulator. So from this video, we will start to learn about the different components that React Native offers us to make an Android and iOS app. So we will start with the basic component, view component. So let us first open the terminal to create the project. You open the command prompt if you are using a Windows machine and write expo in it and name of the project. Press enter. We will start with the blank template. Now it will install all the dependencies. Okay, so our project is created. Let me open the Visual Studio. Here is our project. Open your project in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so as I said in our last video, app.js is the file that we will be working on. Let me just run this app first. Okay, so to run this app, you simply need to write npm start. You can preview this app either on Android simulator, or if you are using a Mac machine, then you can also preview this app on iOS simulator. Okay, so I have already opened this iOS simulator. It's iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I'll just use that, run on iOS simulator. Okay, so our app is running. You can see the text. So first of all, everything in our React Native project is a component. You can use those components anywhere in your app. So view is a component, text is a component, status bar is component. Okay, so we'll be talking about this view component. So as you can see, these are some import statements. So whichever component you need to use in your project, first of all you need to import those components before you use them. It using text component here. If I remove text from the import statement and save this, then you will get an error. Okay, so first of all, import status bar from expo status bar, react from react, and import text view. You can also write different components here. Style sheet, we can use this style sheet to styling our component. This is not CSS, but it is very similar to that. So here our app is returning one view component. Let me just remove this, save. Okay, so we can use this view component to basically create the looks of our app, how our app will look like. Let me just change the color so you can get the better idea. Let me just type red and you can see. We can also give width to our component. Let me say 20% and save. As you can see, don't worry about these flags, background color, line items, and we'll be learning all this in our later videos. We can also give height, let's say 40%. As you can see, so this is how you can use the view component. You can um, uh, use text component in view component. Basically expo or return one component, so all your component must have a one parent component, so which will be considered as the return component. We cannot write another view component here because then it will be two components, and since it's return only one component. So yes, so this is how you can use view component and styling properties. We'll be learning more about these style sheet in our later videos. So thanks for watching it.